You've seen me before. You've seen me trying to help the children of the world. You've seen me trying to get a sponsor for a little Indian boy named Mowgli, or an African girl named Nala. But what you haven't seen is the world's latest epidemic. You haven't seen Barbara. Barbara suffers from a disease that plagues 1 in 5 women in America. 1 in 5! Barbara has A-cup breasts. She asks me every day, "Did you find me a sponsor? Can I get bigger breasts today?"
Okay, go ahead.
Sorry.
Please go!
Okay. Oh no, you go.
This is more work than it should be.
No.
So I said, "Adios, muchachos." You're speaking Spanish.
Okay, boys. You know that you both owe me dinner, right? Our boss loved our presentation. All right, toodles.
Okay, Jackie.
You got it, Jackie.
Man, Jackie is the glue that holds this place together.
I love Jackie.
I love Jackie.
No, Jeff, I mean, I want to date Jackie.
No, Greg. I mean, I'm in love with Jackie.
Well, I want to marry Jackie.
I want to marry Jackie. Consummate.
Great, awesome. So I was in a plane the other day. This little boy walks up to me and he hits me. You know where he hits me? In the peanuts. Peanuts. Peanuts! Oh, peanuts! Oh. Stupid. I go home recently, and my nephew comes up to me, and he's like, "Hey, uncle, what do you call a nosy pepper?" I say, "What, nephew?" He says, "Jalapeno business."